other side?
All right. What do you think we're doing today? Subtract?
Yeah.
I think I already told you.
Oh, we have to get our notes out.
Yes, you do. Okay, so yesterday I told you, or the other day, whatever, I told you some important things. What did I tell you was super important before you do calculation with decimals? Caleb?
Estimate.
You should estimate. Subtraction is a lot, let's rephrase that, it's very dependent on estimation sometimes. Okay, so like if I want to do 3.4 minus 2.1. Remember the other day talking about rounding? Round those numbers for me. 3.4 and 2.1. Carter?
3 would stay at 3. Because 4
Right.
is lower than 5.
Good. And how about 2.1? Please don't talk.
It would still be a 2 because
It would be a 2. So my estimate says that this answer should be around 1. Okay. So once again, when I subtract these numbers, I don't need to worry about the decimal. I do need to know how to line them up. But if I'm worried about, do I count the places? What makes it be by 1? Victor, what's your question?
Is it the 27th or 28th?
27. It doesn't really matter. That's me. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. My answer is not 13. We know it's 1.3 because that's close to 1. Okay? Subtraction is a little trickier. Usually is with any kind of math. Because if I have something like 6 minus 1.8. You know what some people do? They say, okay, 6, 1.8, and then they do something weird like that and get stuck, right? That doesn't make any sense. Well, let me ask you this. Where's the decimal in 6? Where's the decimal in 6? Anna?
Behind it?
Behind it. Because you could ask yourself, well, if this was on a cash register receipt and I paid $6 for something or got $6 and change, it would look like that, right? So I know the decimal goes there. And if I subtract that, line them up, I'm going to actually not need that one. I had to put the 0 there, don't I? Because if I don't, some people think, well, there's nothing there, so I'm just gonna drop it down. But that doesn't make sense. If you have $6 and you got $1.80 change, that 8 is a placeholder, but so is the 0. So I need the 0 and I'm gonna have to borrow. Okay? Also, my estimate would tell me it's around 4, right? I didn't do my estimate. Questions on that? I'm gonna do some more like that, but yes.
You said that the decimal is behind the safe. Isn't that a shrine?
Like I said, if I'm the cashier and you buy something that's $6 and I ring it up and I print out the receipt, if you see this, that's not $6. You wouldn't see that. And if I fill in zeros for missing things, that's actually 60 cents, right? But if I have 6 decimal 0, that looks more like $6, right? So any whole number, the decimal is after the whole number, okay? Caleb?
I forgot to mention this, but I leave at 222 off the 7
2:22.
That's
That's very specific. Okay, I was like, that's a very specific time, but okay, thanks for telling me. Can I go to another slide? Got these? Everybody's got them written down.
Oh, no.
See, this is one time I'll wait because you're getting used to this, but I'm not gonna wait just cause you don't feel like writing it down when you're asked to the first time, okay? So the next set of problems that I'll put up, I'll write them up and down, okay? Because we know the decimals are lined up. We know that. So I'll write them that way. Needs more time, okay? Is it church bells or is it Miss Turner?
Church bells are 2 hours ago.
Oh, you know. You never know.
Wait, you time them out? I just out there ring that.
No, they go off at 12.
Okay, friends, well, time's ticking. If you don't have that yet, we'll have to go back a slide in a bit. Let's go with, this kind of almost looks like a chalkboard and stuff. So work out these 3 problems for me. I know, it just disappears. Now it's gonna come back. And
No,
we
it's
need
not,
to-
it has a line.
Yeah, that happens too. I don't know why that happens. Okay, try those. And actually, I'm gonna turn this on. Stop. No.